So I feel like the chairs are somehow a parallel, they're kind of parallel object to our everyday life. They grow with us, they move with us, they help us to create situations, gatherings, they help us to also to be able to sit down and to reflect, I think. I like to play with shapes and challenge my own kind of formal language. My name is Martino Gamper. I'm here at the Haus der Kunst to introduce you to the show called Sitzung. For me, this Sitzung is about bringing people together. Well, I've always been a social animal, and I guess it's a lot more fun working with other people than by yourself, even though we all need our own kind of moments of peace and reflection. But I think when you create objects, you need different skill sets, and I think it's a lot more interesting to collaborate with other people and to work with other people. And I'm very fortunate that I have an amazing team. While we're working together, we might as well make it into an interesting experience. So we eat together, we work hard, but we also try to kind of enjoy the other parts of working together. And so it's not just about pure necessity to do the job, but add other equations into the working.
On, wax off.
It's a small little factory in that sense. So yes, so the material, as you can see, is a multi-layered, what we call a plywood. Yeah, here you see these are the pieces that have been routed. Then from me it goes to Francesco and Will. So I like to create these, you could say rules, but they're kind of methods. So you find a particular material, you set some rules. It could be time-based, could be material-based, could be craft-based, and within that you have a lot of freedom to kind of express yourself. Yeah, that's a chair, and then it ends up like this.